Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss hydraulics and pneumatics. Unit number 5, pneumatic components, control valve and circuit, lecture number 4. Learning objective of the learning outcome. At the end of session, students come to know construction and working principle of various pneumatic operations. Pneumatic component, inlet, filter, electric motor, rotate the compressor, air coming from the filter to the compressor, after compressor to after cooler, main line, dryer, reservoir tank, air service unit, control valve, and actuator and exhaust. Reservoir tank, pressure switch, motor control to electric motor. Secondary air treatment, air lubricant filter and water separator. This is primary air treatment. Can you identify the difference? Yes. See, ports, first port, first P port, first tank port T, two actuator ports A and B, P port, exhaust port EE, actuator port A and B, two position null and activated, two position null and activated, 4x2 DCV found in hydraulics, 4x2 DCV found in pneumatics. In hydraulic valve, the tank ports are combined within the valve body into one common port. And in pneumatic valve, the return flow of each outlet is exhaust to a separate port. Air is vented to atmosphere, does not add any extra lines. But in hydraulics, if we provide two separate returns line to tank, it requires separate piping and fitting, which may leak and result in pressure drop. Notice that the four-way pneumatic valve actually has 5 ports. It's still called four-way valve because the exhaust ports are considered to have same function. Application used to control double acting air cylinder. Hydraulic valve we can see in figure. 4x2 pneumatics valve we can see in figure. See in this port A, B, EP, E extra port for exhaust. They are similar to hydraulic direction control valve or smaller in size. 2x2 and 3x2 direction valve. These valves are most used in pneumatic system, hydraulic system. 2x2 pneumatics valve, 3x2 pneumatics valve. See here, this is 2x2 pneumatics valve. Air enters into the valve, passes through and remove from 2. 4x2, 5x2 direction control valve. Their working is similar to hydraulic direction control valve but smaller in size. 4x2 pneumatic valve, 5x2 pneumatic valve. We can see here, this is 5x2. Here, 5 ports, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, 4 ports, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Like that. 5x3 pneumatic valve, method of actuation of direction control valve. Same mechanism are used as in hydraulic DC valve. The most common actuating cylinder system are solenoid and mutual control. Pilot operated DC valve, use of 2x2 valve to pilot operated 4x2 valve. Here, 2x2 DC valve control the operation of the 4x2 valve. Here, 2x2 DC valve control the operation of the 4x2 valves. Pneumatic actuator. See, here in this figure, we have seen pneumatic actuator. Sorry. It's convert energy formed by compressed air at high pressure into either linear or rotary motion. Quickly response in the operation. The principle of operation, a pneumatic actuator mainly consists of a piston or diaphragm which develop the motive power. It keeps the air in the upper portion of the cylinder, allowing air pressure to force the diaphragm or piston to move the valve, steam, or rotate the valve. Control element, the valve input is the control signal. Types. Some types of pneumatic actuator include tied rod cylinder, rotary actuator, gripper, rodless actuators, magnetic linkage or rotary cylinder, pneumatic artificial muscles, vacuum generated, based on application for which air cylinder are used. Cylinder tube, head drawn seamless aluminum brass tube plastic. So light duty head drawn seamless aluminum or brass tube plastic, aluminum alloy end covers, aluminum alloy casting and fabricated aluminum brass, pistons, aluminum alloy casting, pistons rod, similar to steel, grounded and polished at chrome plated, measuring thickness, aluminum alloy casting, head drawn seamless brass tube, aluminum, brass iron or steel casting, aluminum brass bronze iron steel casting, fabricated brass bonds, aluminum alloy casting, cast iron, example steel, ground and published or chrome plated, ground and publish stainless steel, aluminum, brass casting. Head drawn seamless tube, brass, bronze, iron, and steel casting. Higher tensile casting, aluminum alloy casting, brass, cast iron. High tensile casting, double acting cylinder. There is operation of double acting cylinder with piston rod on one side to extend the cylinder pump. Pro is double acting cylinder. There is operation of double acting cylinder with piston rod on one side to extend the cylinder. Pump pro is sent to the blank end port as shown in figure. Fluid from the rod end over returns to the reservoir to retract the cylinder. The pump pro is sent to the rod end port and fluid from the blank end port reduces to the tank as shown in figure. Figure shows double acting cylinder with piston rod on the one side. Graphical symbols of cylinders. Graphical symbols. First, single acting cylinder with unspecified return. Air pushes the piston in one direction and the piston is return is unspecified. External lever may push. External click or lever may push. Single acting cylinder with spring return. Air pushes the piston in one direction and piston return by spring on the rod side. Double acting cylinder, single piston rod. Double acting cylinder, single point rod. The force external exerted by compressed air move the piston in both directions. Double acting cylinder, double piston rod. It has pistons rod extending from both ends of the cylinder. It produces equal force and speed on both sides of the cylinder. See, this is double acting cylinder symbols. Here, extending both ends of the cylinder, it produces equal force and speed on both sides of the cylinder. Double acting cylinder, single piston rod, the force exerted by the compressed air move the piston in both directions. Here, single acting cylinder with spring return. Single acting cylinder with unspecified returns. Air pushes the piston in one direction and the piston is returned in the return is unspecified. External click or lever may be pushed. So, any doubt, any queries, please ask me. Today we have stopped here. Thank you.